Hello guys! Welcome to Precious Journal. Actually guys, it's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-video and this video is one of those na na-keep ko sa aking gallery for a long time. And actually guys, December ko pa sana ito i-upload but because naging busy ako dahil the entire December is a very busy and event month. So, wala talaga akong time to edit any of my videos and nasundan pa ng the entire quarter of 2025. I have been very busy. So, ngayon lang talaga ako nagka-time guys. And this video guys is a raw file. Hindi na talaga ako nag-edit and anything. So, what you see there is unedited. So, kung may mga flaws man sa video, it's okay because this is a genuine video. Okay? The unfiltered event. Okay? So, yun guys, may nagbigay sa akin ng gift last December and thank you. So, etong event na ito guys is for the sellers and any business partner ng aming company. So, I will not mention kung saan sila galing, sino-sino sila. But, yun, this is just a fun day for them. Pasasalamat namin sa mga naitulong nila sa amin, sa mga kabutihan and all.
And also, I would like to thank po sa ating mga business partners, all of you, especially the financial institutions na naadili, nagkakaroon sila o time para sa Jensen Land. And also, despite very short notice lang dito, thank you once again. Thank you for your unwavering support to Jensen Land. May 2025 be filled with even greater achievements, endless opportunities, and boundless joy. Let's make tonight a night to remember. Happy holidays and happiness.
Christmas! Okay! Raise up! Your north south!
Yes, yes, yeah, good. Then, isa din sa mga memories ko noong December is namasyal kami ng aking family doon sa City Hall ng Davao City, and you know naman, it's all wrapped with shiny, shimmering, splendid lights and very bright ang the whole City Hall. So, we enjoyed the moment. Nag-dinner kami after and just have a little bonding time. program. Then here again, one of the events that I had last December is our company Christmas party. So with me in my table is Julie always, and all the affiliates are here to enjoy this one-day special event for the entire company.
Gwapo siya, tapos ikaw, siya na.
Carpeted. Tapos, natay ko din ang ang
Wow! O, diba? Never give up si Ate Bebe. Diba? Laban lang. Laban lang. Oh.
Hey, Ate Beng, love ko to. Alam mo, nung nandoon ako sa third floor, siya yung takbuhan ko.
So, party after another, meron na naman kaming contractors Christmas party. And actually guys, dito namin binigay yung aming napanulunan during the Christmas party. So, this is again one of those events that I had last December.
Please, 5 people per floor. Ang chili potato, kuhakan o mangway.
Go na!
1,000? Engineer, kuhakan 1,000? Ito. Ito, sino? Ito. 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 Lima ka po. Oh, anything.
So, yun lang guys. Salamat sa panonood. Sana'y nag-enjoy kayo. Always kayo mag-iingat. Bye-bye. God bless.